Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Employment News for BE BTech Mechanical Engineers 21st June 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. In this channel, every Monday we will upload new employment opportunities for mechanical engineers. This week, in this video, we are included 8 government jobs, 6 private jobs and 2 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. Now, let us start with government jobs. In government job, first one is Short Service Commission Officers at Indian Navy. Applications are invited from unmarried eligible male candidates for grant of Short Service Commission SSC ST22 course for extended naval orientation course commencing January 2022 onwards at Indian Naval Academy, Kerala. Selected candidates are inducted as sub-lieutenant. Final year students 2021 batch also eligible to apply. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Qualification is BE or BTech in any discipline with minimum 60% of marks. Number of posts for general service executive have 47 number of posts and for hydrography 3 numbers of posts. Pay and allowances 56,100 to 1,77,500 at level 10 plus MSP as 15,500. Age limit is 20 to 25. Short Service Commission is granted initially for 10 years, extendable further for 4 years, 02 plus 2 subject to vacancy. Selection procedure. Shortlisting for SSB. Shortlisting of application will be based on preference of marks obtained by the candidates in the qualifying degree. Candidates having NCC C certificate will be provided relaxation of 5% in cutoff marks for SSB shortlisting. Shortlisted candidates will be intimated through mail and SMS. SSB procedure. SSB interview will be conducted at Bhopal or Bangalore or Visakhapatnam or Kolkata. Details of SSB procedures are available on Indian Navy website as shown on screen. Medical. SSB recommended candidates are required to undergo medical examination as applicable to their entry. How to apply? Detailed notification can be seen at the website as shown on the screen. Interested candidates are to register and fill application on Indian Navy website as shown on the screen on or before 26 June 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is Technical Officer C Group A at Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research Center IGCAR. IGCAR is one of the India's premier nuclear research centers. It is the second largest establishment of Department of Atomic Energy next to Baba Atomic Research Center. IGCAR was established in 1971 as an exclusive center dedicated to the pursuit of fast reactor science and technology due to the vision of Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. The center is engaged in broad-based multidisciplinary program of scientific research and advanced engineering directed towards the development of fast breeder reactor technology in India. For more details, please visit the website as shown on screen. This is a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Post code is TOC08. Number of posts is 17 for BE BTech Mechanical Engineers. Age limit is 18 to 35. Pay and allowances 56,100 plus DA plus other allowances. Application fees 300 for general category and no fee for SC, ST, PWBD women candidates. Selection procedure. There will be written examination of 2 hours during and will comprise of 75 objective type questions. Those candidates qualifying in written examination shall be shortlisted for interview. Final selection and ranking will be on the basis of performance of the candidates in interview and no weightage will be given for marks scored in the written examination. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates are to register and fill the application on IGCAR website as shown on screen on or before 30th June 2021. Next is Ground Duty Technical at Flying Branch at Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force offers opportunities for unmarried male and female candidates to the Short Service Commission in the Flying Branch and Permanent Commission and Short Service Commission in the Ground Duty technical and non-technical branches through Air Force Common Admission Test AFCAN. Courses commencing on July 2022. Final year students 2021 batch also eligible to apply. Mechanical engineering graduates can apply for both flying branch and ground duty technical, aeronautical, mechanical branches. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Number of vacancies are 127 in total. Pay and allowances are 56,100 to 1,77,510 plus MSP 15,500 plus other allowances. Age limit is 20 to 26. Application fee is 250. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Aspirants of Indian Air Force are required to apply online by using the link as shown on screen on or before 30th June 2021. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. First one is Short Service Commission Technical Officer at Indian Army's last date is 23rd June 2021. Materials Officer at National Fertilizers Limited NFL's last date is 25th June 2021. Office Assistant Multipurpose through IBPS Institute of Banking Personnel's last date is 28th June 2021. Project Associate 1 at National Center for Earth Science Studies last date is 7th July 2021. Junior Manager Mechanical at Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India's last date is 23rd July 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description also. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is Product Supply Manager at Procter & Gamble P&G. P&G is an American multinational consumer goods corporation headquartered in Ohio. It specializes in wide range of personal health or consumer health and personal care and hygiene products. These products are organized into several segments including beauty, grooming, healthcare, fabric and home care, and baby, feminine and family care. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Roles and responsibilities. As a product supply manager, you will have the opportunity to discover P&G's technologies and standards which are widely recognized. We will help you to build your capabilities through the job experience, mentoring and training. Role is product supply manager. Industry type is FMCG. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through their website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. And if you need to know more about this opportunity, you can watch our new channel Engineering Jobs for You. In the channel, every day 10 am we will upload government jobs for engineers, and every day 5 pm we will upload private jobs for engineers. I will provide that video link in my description also. Next is Mechanical Design Engineer at MEL Systems and Services Limited, Chennai. MEL Systems and Services Limited, known as MEL, was formerly a division of the US $3.8 billion Murugappa Group. MELSS has been at the forefront of cutting-edge technology ever since 1982. In addition to electronics and automation, MELSS offers cutting-edge IT solutions to the customer. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Roles and responsibility. Ability to develop design using SolidWorks, AutoCAD, CATIA. Excellent knowledge in 3D modeling and 2D drafting. Investigate equipment failure or difficulties to diagnose faulty operation and to recommend remedies. Role: Mechanical Design Engineer. Industry type is IT. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Maintenance Executive at Suguna Foods Private Limited, Hosur. Suguna Food Private Limited is a billion-dollar Indian multinational food products company. The company was started in 1984 and is involved in broiler farming, hatcheries, feed mills, processing plants and vaccine manufacturing for poultry. Group companies are Suguna Foods, Suguna Dairy, Globin, Aminovit Sri Lanka, Suguna Bangladesh and Kenya. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Roles and responsibility to ensure all electrical and mechanical equipment in order to all farms and hatchery, to do DG services frequently and maintain service records for all farms and hatchery, to submit Indian for electric and plumbing material whenever required, replacement of farm's cage box, water line and nipple line if damaged, to do power tiller oil services and tractor oil service frequently. Role is maintenance executive. Function area is food products company. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Python Automation Test Engineer at Onward Technologies Limited, Bangalore. Founder in 1991, Onward Technology is an Indian multinational company among the pioneers of engineering services outsourcing. Onward Technologies is leading global player in mechanical engineering design and IT consulting. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 3 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Technical skills required. Hands-on experience as a Python automation test engineer, should have experience on Python SQL, microservice, Docker, experience on Python libraries like Pandas and PyMySQL, experience on Python test framework tools like Behave, PyTest, PyUnit, etc. Role is Python automation test engineer. Industry type is IT servicing and consulting. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen, or can send your latest resume to suganya@onwardgroup.com. Next is Associate Engineer 2 at Hubel Incorporated, Cochin. Hubel Incorporated is an American company that designs, manufactures and sells electrical and electronic products for non-residential and residential construction industry and utility publication. Is ranked 577 by Fortune Group. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 3 years. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Position overview. We are looking for self-motivated, energetic and focused engineering graduates with a strong argue learning, adapt to new concepts and process for supporting Hubel engineers to order process support activity. Roles and responsibilities. Understanding the engineer to order price, analysis of the existing bill of material, electrical drawing and electrical products, identification of the potential products of the target business units that can be offered, creation of router, verifying bill of material and material creation in SAP, etc. Role is Associate Engineer 2. Industry type is electrical and electronic product. Function area is production manufacturing. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is Junior Technical Drafter at ZF Wind Power, Coimbatore. The ZF Wind Power business unit is a part of ZF Group, which is known as one of the world's leading automotive suppliers. In India, ZF is one of the leading suppliers of technology solutions and services that is shaping mobility trends in the country. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1+ year. Requisition ID is 15717. Key task and responsibilities. You build and update 2D or 3D products component specifications for new projects or other existing applications according to the project planning and in agreement with the design or team lead. You create and maintain CAD assemblies for new projects or serial products. You participate in method of tool development regarding CAD modeling, etc. Role is Junior Technical Drafter. Function area is wind power business. Function area is production manufacturing. Is a full-time permanent job. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is an internship. Internship operations at Wabtec Corporation, Bihar. Wabtec Corporation is an American company formed by the merger of the Westinghouse Air Brake Company and Motive Power Industries Corporation in 1999. Wabtec manufactures products for locomotives, freight cars, and passenger transit vehicles and builds new locomotives up to 6,000 horsepower. That means 4 megawatt. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Location of internship is in Bihar. Experience required is fresher or ongoing students. Qualification is BTech or BE with interest in career within management. Job description. The role offers a holistic growth of candidates in a manufacturing unit. This includes working with the production, quality, P&D and tech transfer team to come up with the skill metrics for a root level staff of our organization. This role exposes the candidates to develop his or her techno management quotient. Role is internship operations. Industry type is automobile part. How to apply? Industry candidates can apply through their website as shown on screen. Next is graduate apprentice training at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Kanpur. HAL is an Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company. Is governed by under the management of Indian Ministry of Defense. The Transport Aircraft Division at Kanpur was established in 1960 and has core competence in manufacture, maintenance, modification and upgrade of light transport aircraft and trainer aircraft for both domestic and international markets. The division has also commenced manufacture of the civil variant of DO 228 aircraft. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Candidates who have passed in the year of 2018, 19, 2020 are only eligible to apply. Stipend offered are 4,984 per month. Selection procedure. Applied and eligible candidates will call for an interview and they will be shortlisted according to the interview performance. Then shortlisted candidates should go through police verification process. After police verification, medical test will be carried out. How to apply? Industry eligible candidates must register themselves in the NATS portal of MHRD by using the link as shown on screen. Industry candidates can see the detailed notification on the website as shown on screen and send their application from along with the necessary testimonials on or before 30th June 2021. That's all for this week's employment news video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.